Hi, this is Heidi Smith with Foundation Homes. I'm here at 420 Los Cerros in Greenbrae. As we enter the home, we come to a large living room with great windows and a fireplace. To the left here, we come into the dining area, which also gets a lot of sunlight. Here's a nice light fixture. From here, we go in to the kitchen. There's a refrigerator, freezer, deep sink with a detachable faucet, gas range, microwave, and over here's a little bar area. From here, we can go out and see the awesome backyard, which has a swimming pool. And the yard actually goes all the way up that bank. There's a little play area up there and some areas where you can hang out and relax. There's a little grass patch over here. Coming back in, we'll go down the hall to the bedrooms. So to the left here, this can be considered the master. This one has an awesome view of Mt Tam in the corner. It has its own half bath here, and there's a sizable closet. Over here is a second guest room, which looks out to the backyard. There's a decent sized closet there as well. And then up here, these two rooms share a full bath with an updated shower, which has a tub combo. And there's a skylight to give it some extra sunlight. From here, we go down the stairs to the lower level. So from here is another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. There's the bathroom. This one has a stand-up shower there. And there's a closet over there. From here, we cross the hallway and we go to this other awesome room. So here's a whole nother comfortable living area. Which could also be a bedroom. And then there's a bathroom over here. Stand-up shower, rainfall, shower head, bathroom, double vanity. And then over here, the washer and dryer are behind this door. So there's some extra storage and then the washer dryer down there. So there's a private entrance here. So here we'll go outside. Here is the stairs that lead to the front door where we came in. Otherwise, we'll just go back down and see the garage. And those are the stairs that lead down to the street. So there's a driveway for some additional parking. And here is the front entrance of the home. Okay, well, thank you so much for touring.